understand that. To take you guys, otherwise too close. Here you go. Wow, looks like a puppy, not a baby anymore.
Yeah.
I see you.
I do. I do.
I'm going to slowly get in. Make sure I'm not stepping on anybody. Just gonna sit here. Yeah. What happened in Brampton? So much snowing.
The what?
Snow.
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 Yeah. Too much. Too soon.
Because you know what? Our area, there's nothing.
Oh, really?
Yes. And then in the morning, I went to Mississauga, there's nothing too.
No, we had
And
snow here.
then-
David cleared the driveway.
I know.
We had people coming.
And then I visited my friend's place in Brampton. Just this area, you know.
Gotcha.
Your ear still flappy. Otherwise, the green's still not standing yet. But almost puppies.
Yeah, the ears are almost up.
Yeah, almost up. And of course they have
Which is
teeth.
early.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is it? 6 weeks is early?
Well, 6 weeks is early for
Oh.
ears to be up, yeah.
Okay.
See, hers are up.
Almost, yeah. Ouch, 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 ouch. That's why I needed a chair.
Get your feet up.
I know
Did
from...
you hear what your brother did? He chewed her toes. He did. He did.